Alluvial gold and rock gold washing plant. Complete equipment. Made in China. Running in Ghana, Mali, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso. We are a professional factory. If you want to buy, contact us. 500 grams to 5 kilograms of gold can be collected every day. The investment cost will be recovered in the shortest 7 days. It takes 30 days from China ship to Africa. We have agents in Ghana and Mali. Mine owners are also welcome to visit China factory. We provide perfect installation service. The engineer will work for you for 30 days at mine site. Train your staffs. Provide spare parts service.